Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a very cool product that was sent out to me to review. Now, as many of you can probably notice from just watching this video, Rome is a little hair challenged, but I do have to shave on a regular basis, whether it's my head, my face, my neck, whatever the case it may be. I do this on a daily basis. So having something like this 7-in-1 shaver, I think might be a great option for me. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this over to my desk. We're going to unbox this unit, take a look at everything that comes in the box, and I will test it and see if this is going to be something that will benefit me on my daily shaves. You guys ready? You're ready? Let's go. All right, guys. So here we are over on the desk, and this is the box that you're going to receive. On the side of the box here, it gives you a little bit of information. So you have your curved 7 head, which is basically the main shaver. You have a trimmer, you have a nose hair trimmer, you have a silicone brush that's going to be for washing your face, and then you have the brush head for washing your face as well. All of those things come in the box. So let's open this up and see exactly what all of these items look like. All right, so that's pretty much everything that's in the box. So this is, for the most part, how it's packaged. Now, there are some things underneath, and I'll show you guys those as well. So you're going to have some things that's going to fall out from underneath. This little ribbon here, I'm not really sure what this is for, but it does come with this little gold ribbon. Maybe you could use that for, I don't know, a gift idea or something. You do receive your starter manual, and this is going to walk you through all of the different features. I do recommend reading the starter manual, but I'll try to walk you guys through some of this as we look at the different items. Okay, so other accessories that come in the box, I'll show you guys here. You have this little bottle of oil. This is going to be for lubricating the blades. You have some blade guides, and I think there's 3 of those. Yes, there's 3 of these little blade guides that you guys see here. You also receive your USB-A to USB-C cable. You have an additional little brush here for cleaning out the blades, which comes, really handy. All right, so let's take a look at the main event. So let's start off here. Let's just take everything out, and I'll show you guys each one of these items. We'll just drop them here on the table. All right, there we go. So that's everything that's in the box. So here's the little brush that you would use. This is a silicone brush. You would use this also for washing your face. And then here is the actual brush for washing your face. And these are detachable. You can just pop these off and swap them out however you need to. And then they just clip back together like that. Nice that it comes with this little cover, to keep the, the brush dry or whatever the case is going to be. That's really nice. You have your trimmer, and the trimmer is going to mount into the head similarly to the main cutting blades. I'll show you guys that as well. And also this trimmer is designed to work with these guides. So you can just clip the guides on like so, for the different, like if you're shaving your beard or something like that, or trimming your hair, trimming around your face, if you're trying to line out something, this comes in handy. All right, so you have your nose hair trimmer. And if you need one of these, you know. But yeah, it comes with the nose hair trimmer, and it's going to mount basically the same way. It's just going to plug into the main unit body. All right, so here is our main unit as you guys see it here. You can detach this one as well. It just clips back in. And here's your power button. So let's just pop that guy back on for now. And it comes with a little cover. You can see there's a lot of flex in this guy. You have your power button right here, USB-C for charging it. So to turn this on, you're just going to press and hold. And you can go through the different modes. It'll also tell you what your current power level is, which is really nice. All right, so that's pretty much a rundown on this shaver. So next thing we're going to do here is we're going to go into one of my bathrooms, and I'm going to shave with this, and I'll give you guys my input on how it feels. Now, this is a wet and dry shaver, so if you are sensitive to blades, I do recommend wetting a little water on here, as well as, shaving cream or shaving lotion or something like that at the minimum, you know, adding some water to your head, you know, where the areas you're going to be shaving, just to reduce some of that friction from these blades. All right, guys, let's go check it out. All right, guys, so we're in the bathroom. Here is the razor. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply a little bit of water to the top of my head, a little bit of water to the blades themselves, and we're going to see exactly what we get from this. You guys can see here, I do have a little bit of stubble around here. So let's just get a little water here. We're just going to wet the blade and add just a little water here on the scalp. Let's go ahead and power this guy on. There we go. All right, guys, I can tell you from my experience using this right now, this is a really good unit, okay? Now, take into consideration, I'm used to shaving with the razor, which gives me a super close shave. This is getting very, very close to that. So if you're using this on a daily basis, I'm telling you guys, you're going to be really happy with this little shaver. All right, guys, been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I'll catch you all in the next video. And yeah, get clean and shaved. Peace. I'm out.